It's Fabian here, and I'm here with the homie Alex210.
Sexy Alex, yeah.
And so we gonna shoot up some houses with BB guns.
Hey, look up our
And he got a
Instagram below in the description too.
And mine's a fully automatic. We got BBs, alright. And we just gonna load it up, and we'll see y'all in a minute. So yeah.
I see that for
Alright, YouTube, we're back, and we just got done loading up, and so we're gonna go shoot some BB guns outside, and yeah, I'll catch you when we get outside. Alright, YouTube, we're back, and go ahead and look at Alex's 210 stream, which he's streaming right now. Go ahead and look at his stream. His stream is called Watch Me something. I don't know. What is it?
Huh?
Watch Me. It's called Watch Me Shoot.
Oh, well, they can't look it up because it's already.
Oh yeah. Well, you're live, right?
Yeah.
Well, go ahead and look up. Go to Alex's.
Okay. Look.
Alex210, and you could search him up, and he'll be live.
We're gonna be streaming like every what?
Yeah. Every week, guys.
Every weekend.
We will stream, and I'll catch you real quick. Our YouTube, we're back, and we're outside right now. It's pretty 12 o'clock in the morning. I'm not sure if you can see me. Not sure if you can see me. There's Alex walking back. Let's go see what he's doing. I just like to see me or something. So we're gonna shoot up these automatics we have. I'm gonna be shooting some houses over there. I don't know if y'all can see those houses. It's cold right now. Look, guys, you can even see the smoke coming out my mouth. That's how bad it's cold out here, man. But I wish we had a light. Oh wait, you want to go get a light? Hey, hold this real quick.
Oh, not right now.
No, hold this.
A little bit.
Well, YouTube, we'll be right back. I gotta go get some.
Oh, hell no.
Alright,
better not.
Alright, YouTube, I'm here again.
True.
I got a flashlight. And he thinks I'm gonna tase him because I have a taser.
Look, do it.
But it's just a flashlight too with a taser. But I don't want to do it because look at my friends. But
tase it. Look, show how to tase. Hold on.
Okay, it's too bright. It's too bright. It's too bright. It's too bright.
The taser?
It's too loud.
Fucking do it one time. For the people.
Okay, alright, guys, I'm doing this for the YouTube. If you are ready.
Hurry up.
Alright, guys, so I'm not sure if y'all can see what. We're just gonna shoot at some houses over there. Oh god, dude, where you at, though? Some of y'all can see me, but yeah, it's pretty cold out here.
Hey, I'll put this camera.
What on YouTube? I don't know reason.
That's what you do. I'll put the camera here.
Dude, if your phone falls, I'm gonna be laughing, dude. What's up, YouTube? Oh yeah, that's my automatic. Hey, chill! I just loaded that motherfucker. Stop. As you can see, guys, he just shot at my automatic, which I fully reloaded. It took me a long ass time. And he's still shooting it. Look at that.
Watch it. I'll reload for you. I got you.
Look at the car, though. Hey, shoot the car. Shoot the car. Hey, you're out.
Watch your shit.
Boom.
Dude, I'm not out. Really? You fucking. Alright, hold on.
I'm not sure if they can see that. What you're doing.
I got you.
Well, you two. How are you rolling? I can put some rolling. Yes. Basically, this is what looks like in the back and everything. Y'all can't see. I'm right here. Okay, so we're gonna be shooting up that right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, shit. This shit's going everywhere. Okay,
I'm your everything.
Let's go then. Yeah, this dumbass right here. We're gonna have to go on. Look above you. Look, guys, look at this. Look above you. Look at this guy right here. We're gonna have to pause the video real quick, and we'll catch you later. We'll probably end it right now and make a new one right now. But go subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys. And peace out.